Heavy machinery is the backbone of construction, mining, and large-scale industrial projects, and at the heart of these machines are engines that need to operate flawlessly. One of the most critical components of any diesel engine, particularly in excavators, is the fuel injection pump. Today, we are examining the fuel injection pump compatible with NTC-290, 365, 5116 excavator engines replacement parts. This component might seem small or insignificant compared to the massive engines it supports, but its role is vital. The injection pump is responsible for delivering fuel at the correct pressure, volume, and timing into the combustion chamber. Without this precision, the engine cannot achieve optimal performance. Whether you're lifting tons of material, digging foundations, or moving earth, the efficiency and reliability of the pump directly impact how well your excavator performs. The NTC-290 series engines are widely used in heavy-duty applications due to their durability, power output, and reliability. However, even the most robust engine requires well-maintained components. Over time, fuel injection pumps wear out due to constant operation, high pressure, vibrations, and exposure to harsh environments. Symptoms of a failing pump include reduced engine power, poor fuel efficiency, hard starting, and uneven operation. In some cases, neglecting a failing pump can lead to severe engine damage. The 3,655,116 replacement pump is engineered to meet or exceed OEM specifications. This ensures compatibility with NTC-290 engines, maintaining the precise fuel delivery that the engine requires. Each unit is designed with high-quality materials and precision machining, providing durability that withstands the challenging conditions of heavy machinery operation. Whether it's heat, dust, vibration, or continuous load, this pump delivers consistent performance, helping engines maintain their original power output and efficiency. One of the key benefits of replacing a worn-out pump is restoring engine performance. A fresh injection pump improves throttle response, ensures proper fuel combustion, and increases torque under load. The result is a smoother, more efficient engine that performs reliably in demanding environments. In addition, proper fuel delivery reduces excess fuel consumption and limits harmful emissions, making operations more economical and environmentally responsible. Downtime in heavy machinery can be costly. Every hour a machine sits idle due to engine issues affects productivity, project timelines, and operational budgets. Installing a high-quality replacement fuel injection pump minimizes these risks. It allows machines to return to work quickly, avoiding prolonged delays and unnecessary expenses. The 3,655,116 pump is designed for straightforward installation, reducing the time required for maintenance and ensuring that equipment can resume operation efficiently. Another significant advantage of this replacement part is value. Instead of replacing an entire engine or purchasing a new machine, which can cost hundreds of thousands of dollars, replacing just the fuel injection pump restores functionality and prolongs the life of the engine. This makes it a cost-effective solution for operators and businesses seeking to maintain performance without breaking the budget. Precision is crucial in diesel engines, and this pump delivers it. The timing and pressure of fuel injection determine the engine's ability to generate power efficiently. Even a minor deviation can result in poor combustion, black smoke, and increased fuel usage. By installing a pump that matches OEM specifications, the engine regains its intended performance characteristics. This ensures consistent power delivery and reliability during demanding tasks. Durability is another critical factor. Excavators operate in environments that can be harsh, from construction sites with dust and debris to mining operations with continuous vibration and heavy loads. The 3,655,116 pump is built to handle these conditions. Its robust construction ensures longevity and consistent performance, reducing the likelihood of unexpected failures and the associated downtime. The efficiency gains from a properly functioning injection pump are noticeable in both operation and cost management. Improved fuel combustion means better fuel economy, reduced emissions, and a more responsive engine. In industries where every gallon of diesel counts, this translates directly into savings and increased operational efficiency. By investing in a reliable replacement pump, operators ensure that their machines continue to deliver maximum productivity with minimal fuel waste. Maintenance is simplified with this replacement pump. It's designed for direct compatibility with NTC-290 engines, eliminating the need for modifications or complex adjustments. This allows maintenance